Hello there. This is and I'd like to talk with you about emergency preparedness. There are going to be instances where some calamity happens in your environment and everyone's running to find safety, running to duck and cover, running to find a place they can secret themselves in order to avoid whatever harm is happening. And there you are in your wheelchair, struggling with crutches. Your pain is getting in your way because it's not allowing you to run as fast as everybody else. People are leaving you behind, pushing you aside. And all you can do is stand there and shout, if you have a voice. Before that emergency happens, it's wise to sit and talk with the folks who are around you all the time, or most of the time, and let them know what you are capable of doing on your own. Also let them know where you need assistance. And if you still have a rehabilitation therapist, ask them about the types of things that would work for you as far as trying to move in an emergency situation. There are disaster recovery organizations that work with different types of situations and conditions, and there are people who provide services. It's important that people in your environment know who you are and know your conditions so that they can work with you to help you be among the survivors, among those who weather the storm. And it's important for folks to know that something as simple as your walking cane, your crutch, your wheelchair can be used as a tool, a protective tool, in order to block a door, help someone leverage to another place, pry something open that is too small for any other instrument. The wheelchair has weight. The cane can be used to create a barrier across a door, or it can act as a slide to help someone go up the stairs or down the stairs, wherever. But just remember, do some planning ahead of time. Talk with those who are around you in your environment and let them know what types of accommodations you need in order to respond in just as a timely a manner as everybody else when an emergency arises. It's important for your safety. Sometimes your being present and your condition is going to be the essential element to saving everybody else. You're just as important. You're just different these days because you've got a new type of doing things, a new way of doing things. A disability, no matter what it is, can be an advantage. Have others learn to appreciate what they have by having you in their company, but also be prepared for that emergency that happens. I'm Yvonne LaRose. Live well, get refueled.